Okay, I'm back. Another video, same day, but another video. I got excited. I wanted to unbox the IRL V2 exhaust for the 997. So if you remember from previous videos a while ago, I'm working with them to develop a exhaust system for the 997.1, full catback exhaust, valved exhaust. So we worked through the first iteration. I gave them a lot of feedback, and they took it all in and pretty much rebuilt everything from the ground up. So new valve system set up, so the valves are a little bit more in a simple space to where they do function better, open up fully. They don't like hit any other metal pipings or anything like that. And we did 200 cell pipes, X pipes. So that should help the sound, give it a good sound, not too raspy, not too loud like the cough Valvetronic exhaust. Sounds horrible. And then also when I do want to do headers, it will kind of maintain a good note. So I'm gonna start. I've already started unboxing it, as you can see, and I actually opened up the exhaust tips, and I was like, all right, I gotta show you guys this. So let's go check it out. All right, so first, look at these exhaust tips. Let's start there, because I love these. Look at that. That is so nice. Love the staggered look. Wow. So that's perfect. Move this over here. Let's see what these X pipe. X pipe, that looks really good. Beautiful finish here. This is the second X pipe. Wow. Quality finish. This stuff looks like something you see installed on like Huracans and stuff like that. Like I'm show you, like just look at that. That looks amazing. Hell yeah. Let's keep. Okay, so this is the muffler section. Let's take a detailed look at this. Again, so this is, they relocated the valves here. So, and they actuate upwards, so it should open and close without hitting or getting obstructed by any pipes or anything like that. So that looks good. The wells look great. IRL, love this here, this flex joint. This will help with install. Install will be very, very much easier. That's where you get the vacuum line, which they do provide. The vacuum line, and then this is the valve, bolts, everything. The only thing that will be reused is the clamps for where the pipes meet here, but I bought new ones anyway from the last install, so not a big deal. So yeah, you can see and here is the other exhaust tip. finish. And they took my advice. I told them, Porsche guys, they like polished tips. They don't care for carbon fiber tips or anything like that. Like, keep it classy, keep it simple. And that's exactly what they did. And these are great. Look at that. I mean, it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, and I got the other. So, here is the full kit. Laid out here. So I think, yeah, this is a beautiful kit. Beautiful kit. Let me know what you guys think. So we got nice polished exhaust tips, 200 cell, catted X pipes, beautiful finish. I think this is a cast, I believe. So I'm pretty sure there should be no check engine lights with this setup as well. New valved mufflers. I've got the flex pipe here, or the flex joint, so that should help with install. Yeah, I think I think they knocked it out the park. Very excited to see how it sounds. I don't know when I'm gonna get to installing. I have a lot of things to do this weekend and just in general, so I'm gonna try to get to it as soon as possible for you guys. I am actually gonna put the car up on the lift today. That way it's ready, because I gotta do brake pads. So I'm gonna do that today, and then yeah, just go from there. So IRL 997.1 version 2. Link down in the description for the actual product. You can use my code OEM&x Garage, get 5% off. If you want to wait until I have this thing installed so you get some sound clips, that's fine too. But I think this one's going to be a great setup for the car. So that's it for today. Catch you guys later. Keep being great. Peace.